1 hot latte, please.
Okay po, ma'am.
Andiyan si Javier?
Sorry po, ma'am. Kakalis na po kasi ni sir eh.
Hindi na siya babalik.
Baka matatagalan po, ma'am. Nasa hiking pa po siya.
Okay, sige, salamat.
Siguro nga ate, panahon na para subukan ko namang gamutin ang lahat ng sugat ng pagkawala mo. Tama si Javier. Grief will always be there, but grief can be my friend.
Kailangan mo na pagpakalma.
Akala ko nasa hiking trip ka.
Well, na-feel ko kasi na parang may na-iwan ako. Ikaw yata yan.
Hindi pa ako pwedeng mag-hike. Nagpapagaling pa ako ng sugat.
May sugat pa.
Mahabang kwento. Pero kung interesado ka, pwede kong ikwento sa'yo. Habang lalakad, okay lang ba yun? Walking in nature?
Okay na okay yun sa akin. One step at a time.
If there's a story I'd like to tell, it is the story of a woman born out of pain, a child of rape. Isang batang dinala sa mundo dahil sa karahasan. At ang batang yun ay ako. But despite everything I've been through, I chose to fight. And what saved me was beauty. Not just the beauty we see in the mirror, but the beauty I discovered within me. Beauty empowered me. It shows us that we are more than our past. We are what we chose to become. I am no longer a child of tragedy. I am now a woman of purpose, a symbol of strength, a living proof that beauty can change everything.
Early on, I was made to think that beauty is a gift. At kahit pinanganak ako mahirap, swerte ako dahil maganda ako. I had a fighting chance in life, and I didn't just grab that chance. I held on to it like it's the only thing that kept me alive. Truly, beauty became my power, and nothing was more powerful than the love that it brought me. Handa kong harapin lahat ng hirap, basta't mahal ako ni Eddie. But I failed, repeatedly. That's why I clung on to beauty like an armor, because deep inside, he made me feel I was only worth loving as long as I was beautiful. Hanggang sa dumating ang taong nagpakita sa akin na hindi lang dapat gandang pinaglalaban, kundi ang katotohanan. Si Noreen Alfonso. Noreen gave me a chance to correct my mistakes, to say sorry to her and Shari for being my victims in this fight. But more importantly, she gave me the gift of saying sorry to myself and forgive that wounded, insecure, abandoned, scared Velma in me.
Nagumpisa ang lahat ng ito sa isang simpleng pangarap. Kami ng Ate Helena ko. Pero nang pinatay ang Ate Helena ko, napalitan ng pangarap ng galit, ng ambisyon na makaganti, na pagbayaran nila ang nangyari. Sinarado ko ang puso ko sa posibilidad na mga biktima rin sina Velma at Shari. And that was my biggest mistake. Nakalimutan ko na ang bawat tao ay may gandang natatabunan lang ng layers of hurt and pain sa loob na naghihintay lang na makita ng iba. At hindi ba, iyon naman ang totoong ganda? Yung ganda ng puso, how we lift others up. Yung ganda ng pagkatao, when we choose kindness over competition. Yung ganda ng damdamin, when we see beauty in every woman and not just in ourselves. Dahil ang bawat babae ay may kanya-kanyang ganda. Beauty belongs to all of us. It's for every shade, shape, and size. At doon natin makikita ang tunay na ganda sa mundong natutong magdiwang ng ganda ng iba. And this is my beauty empire.
They got me so frustrated, thinking I can't make it. All the efforts that I put out, my ideas just get shut down. It's a shame dahil mananagot kayo. Ganda, ganda,